Extraordinary release of once top-secret documents showing the extent to which the National Security Administration under President Barack Obama routinely violated standards, commitments, and the Constitution itself to spy on Americans without a warrant, something our next guest has been warning us all about for years. Here now, Judge Andrew Napolitano, Fox News senior judicial analyst. I could ask you, how did you know? But specifically, what these top-secret documents say is that 5 out of every 20 NSA internet searches actually violated safeguards the government was supposed to keep
So the reason this is extraordinary is because this is one of the rare federal courts in the United States that meets in secret. No press is allowed, no adversary is there. We don't even know what their rulings are. But they released a ruling last night that they issued last month, which chastised the NSA for spying without warrants. The NSA acknowledged that it violated federal law, but the problem is far worse than the court has acknowledged.
Let's go back to the book itself. The Fourth Amendment of the Constitution specifically says no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. The FISA court, which you just mentioned, was supposed to be the instrument of that amendment.
Instead, it's the enabler of the NSA. It doesn't issue warrants that particularly describe the place to be searched or the person or thing to be seized. It issues warrants for groups, like everybody in zip code 10036, which is where we are now. All customers of Verizon, which is 113 million people. And its warrants are not based on probable cause. It's based on governmental need.
And we got a taste of what this means by the unmasking of General Flynn, because that was not a wiretap that was focused on General Flynn. It was a secondary or a tertiary.
You're exactly right. It was the use of NSA-generated data without a FISA warrant, under the guise of being for national security purposes, used for blatant political purposes, a serious threat to the freedom of the republic.
And it's not only the second or third person. They could go out to the sixth person.
You go out to
6 degrees of separation.
6 degrees of separation, if you do the math, covers about 330 million people, the population of the United States. That's what NSA claims it can legally spy upon.
Glad you're a watchdog. Judge Andrew Napolitano, thank you very much. Melissa.